Today I'm testing ZooClaw PPT, which is the sponsor of this video. This time not for AI video or wipe drama. If you're new here, ZooClaw is an all-in-one AI agent platform, video, short drama, ads and tags, all from chat. This time I want to test the AI PPT workflow from ideas, docs, chats to PPT Master to full deck with complete presentations with research, visuals and consistent branding. Let's go in. So first you go on ZooClaw.ai, here with an overview about the tool. Just hit start free. After signing up, you're in your workspace. On the left you have your team with your agents. Just hit the plus button to add a specialist. Here you have a ton of agents to use, like a wipe drama, stock analysts. In our case, we need the PPT Master. We already hired one. And our first task is create an 8-slide investor pitch deck for a fictional AI productivity startup called FocusFlow. Compared to other tools like Genspark, Manus, Gamma, he combines more steps, not only the layout, also research, structure, branding, image generation, chat workflow, Google Docs input and deck creation. So the question is not which tool makes the prettiest slide, the better question is which tool removes the most manual work. The result still depends on your prompt and input, but for pitch decks, launch decks, reports, strategy decks and internal presentations, this workflow makes sense. And ZooClaw is a multi-agent platform, the PPT agent is just one part of it. So back to our prompt, he's analyzing our prompt, gathering all information automatically he needs. We see the plan, like the design he wants to do, like a deep navy color, which font, how many slides, 8, exactly what we wanted. If we scroll down further, we see after 5 minutes he generated the slide. Just click on it and this is astonishing. A full 8-slide presentation about our fictional AI startup FocusFlow. Nice structure, nice design. If we scroll down further, we see some details like your AI work copilot is it. We have a market analyze here. If we scroll down further, we see the packages we offer in this fictional AI startup. Very nice, consistent brand design here. Also some graphics, some charts. Crazy good. We can also look at the code on the top. It's a HTML file ready to copy paste, or just hit download as HTML. You can also download it as PDF. You can copy the link. We can also present here. And now we can switch through the slides. Ready to use for your business meeting. Very, very nice. Now we want to change the color tone of the whole presentation without editing the information. We have the prompt of update this deck with a consistent premium brand style. The primary color should be a light green. Just hit enter and only some minutes later we have the same presentation just with a green accent. For the highlights of the presentation, exactly what we wanted. The ZooClaw PPT agent is just crazy easy to use, has astonishing output and works just great. Now a more advanced example. We want to make the agent do research work. We want the 8-slide presentation about how AI agents are changing the market workflows in 2026. We want 3 key trends, practical examples for small businesses. And again, PPT Master agent is just nailing it. We have a full overview about how AI agents are rewritten marketing. We have nice overviews, nice charts. We have also images generated here. Automatically, we had to do nothing. It's just crazy easy and very good. ZooClaw can also work inside a team chat like Slack or Telegram. So instead of leaving the chat and explaining the context again, you can just mention PPT Master directly in the thread. For example, we have this chat here with some team members. They are talking about the FocusFlow. We will not cover the setup here. We have the output. He gathered the chat messages and translated it into a full presentation. The challenge, who needs FocusFlow, turn every meeting into a clear action plan, how it works, measurable impact. It's all there, easy as that. ZooClaw also can convert Google Doc files into presentation and full decks. Like this one here, we have target users, the remote team, startup founders, main problems of meeting, create too many notes. Product features, AI meeting summarize, task extractions, team chat analysis, and the launch angle, turn every meeting into a clear action plan. Go back to ZooClaw AI, just upload your Google Doc file here. We have this prompt of use this Google Doc as a source and create an 8-slide product strategy deck. Focus on these things here. Use a clean dark navy white cyan accents. Hit enter. And minutes later we have the final output, and as you can see, the presentation, the full deck is here, exactly what we wanted, generated from a Google Docs file. If you liked ZooClaw, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.